Hello dear friend and welcome to today's lesson. This is Language Booster TV and I'm your teacher Eric Munani. Recently we have started a serial program, serial lessons which aims to teach you all 12 tenses. And this is part 3. In part 2 we have uploaded present simple tense. You have seen the use and the form of present simple tense. And today we are going to see present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. How do we form this tense? How do we use this tense? When do we need to use this tense in our daily conversation? Yes, we can ask ourselves again, what are the common mistakes we should avoid when we are using this present continuous tense? Great. Before we start, read the following sentences and pay attention on the word in red. The sentence number 1, I am watching television. I am watching television. Number 2, I am typing a letter now. I am typing a letter now. We are studying English. We are studying English. The last one, he is riding a bicycle. He is riding a bicycle. Great. All these words in red, can you pay attention on them? How are they formed? Yes, let us go. You have to remember that this is Language Booster TV, the YouTube channel which helps you to learn free languages. Those languages include English, Kinyarwanda, and Kiswahili. Yes, so I encourage you to subscribe to this channel so that you can learn all these languages as fast as possible. Great, you have already uploaded many videos which can help all types of learners, all types of language learners, including beginner, video for beginners, video for intermediate, and video for advanced learners. Great. Remember to subscribe, and we really appreciate those who have subscribed. Thank you very much for your contribution, and I hope you are going to keep sharing these videos so that you can learn together with our friends. Great. Yes. Another thing, I encourage you to visit our YouTube channel, especially on community tab, so that you can access to quizzes and the tests which can help you to improve your English vocabulary, your English grammar as well. Great. Let us not take too much time. Let us start. Great. Yeah, as introduction, we have already learned present simple tense. We have seen its form and its uses. In today's lesson, we are going to learn present continuous tense. Make sure that at the end of this lesson, you are able to use present continuous tense in your daily conversation with your friends. Great. Try to apply the knowledge and skills you get from our videos in your daily conversation. Try to apply what you have learned from our videos. You will find yourself speaking English as native. Yes, practice today. Start today, and you will tell me after the result from your effort. So present continuous tense. Let us start. Present continuous tense is also called present progressive tense. Continuous dissimilar progressive. Continuous progressive. Present continuous means present progressive tense. let us try to understand the keywords from this tense. The keywords, the first one is the word continue or progress. It means go on doing something, go on doing something. So when we combine them together, you can learn what this tense is about, when it can be used. So this tense is basically used to talk about action or an event which is still going on by now, Great. How to form present continuous tense? We usually need auxiliary to be in all tense and all continuous tenses. When we say continuous tense or progressive tenses, think about the verb to be. We need the verb to be in all continuous tenses, including present continuous tenses, past continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense. In all those tenses containing continuals, we need auxiliary to be. Great. What we have to put this auxiliary to be, because we are in a present continuous tense, this verb to be should be in present simple tense. It should be in the present simple tense, and the verb to be in the present simple tense is I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, and they are. This is a verb to be in the present simple tense. So after conjugating the verb to be in present simple, the next step is to add the main verb root with ing form. So we take the stem or the root of the verb and we add ing form. For example, verb to go. We put ing form when we have going. Verb to eat, eating. Verb to swim, swimming. Verb to light, lighting. Verb to play, playing. Yes. How to form present continuous tense? The simple formula or the simple structure is am plus verb with ing form. For example, I am learning English. Is plus verb plus ing form. Is used for the subject he, she, it. Remember that he can be replaced by the name of the boy, she can be replaced by the name of the girl, and it can be replaced by the name of one or singular thing. Great. So we can say John is swimming, Gaera is swimming, or fish is swimming. Great. In the pool. Great. We can also take a verb are plus a verb plus ing form, and remember that are is used for the subject you, we, and they. For example, you are watching television. You are watching television. We are watching television. They are watching television. Great. So please try to answer this question. What are you doing now? What are you doing now? I am riding bicycle. I am riding a bicycle. I am driving car. I am chatting with friends. So tell me, what are you doing right now? For example, you can say, I am learning English. I am learning English. Great. When do we use present continuous tense? You can ask yourself, when do we need to use present continuous tense? First of all, the first uses, we use present continuous tense to talk about activity that has started and is still going on. it has started recently and is still going on. Great. For example, I am teaching English now. Yes, I am teaching English now. I have started a few minutes ago and it's still going. I am still teaching English now. Great. You are watching English lesson on YouTube. Yes, dear viewer, you are still watching this video. So you have started watching and you are still watching. Yes. He is washing gloves now. So if you go there, you will find him washing gloves until now. He has started washing gloves and he is still now washing gloves. Yes, he is going to school. It means that he has started the journey to school and he has not arrived at the school. So he is in the middle way to school. Great. Another use, we use present continuous tense to talk about activities at the moment of speaking, right now, at the moment of speaking. For example, I am chatting with friends. I am chatting with friends. I am cooking porridge. I am cooking porridge. It means that right now you are cooking porridge. He is reading English book. He is reading English book. Another sentence, yes, we can ask you, what are you doing right now? What are you doing now? Yes. Another use is we can use present continuous tense for future plans or arrangement. We have already arranged the future activities. We have already set the future activities. We have planned the future activities. In this case, we can use the future simple tense or we can use present continuous tense. No matter, all can work. For example, Mary is going to new school next term. It means that we have already planned Mary to go to the new school next term. That is why we use present continuous tense. What are you doing next week? What are you doing next week? For example, in sport, you can say Liverpool FC is playing with Manchester United next Sunday. It means that on the timetable of the matches to be played, Manchester has the match with United, Man U, next Sunday. It was already set. It has already planned. Great. As notice, you should notice this. You should notice that stative verbs, the verbs which explain states, stative verbs never have present continuous form. Rather, we prefer to use present simple tense. This verb may include but not limited to think, to see, to love, to fear, to believe, to dislike, to know, to like. Another verb may include to love, to hate, to prefer, to realize, to recognize, to remember, to suppose, to think, to believe, to understand, to wish, to feel, to sound, to agree, to hear, to look, to seem, and to taste. We have also to possess and verb to own. All these verbs cannot be put in present continuous tense. Yes, it is grammatically error to say I am loving, I am hating, he is preferring. This one is not correct. You use present simple tense. Great. Don't say, rather say, I am understanding. Don't say, I am understanding you. Rather say, I understand you. He is hearing me. He is hearing me. Don't say, he is hearing me. Rather say, he hears me. He hears me. Don't say she is loving this boy. She is loving this boy doesn't exist and doesn't sound correct. We'd rather say she loves this boy. As conclusion, I cannot forget to encourage you to join our YouTube channel, Language Booster TV. You just click on the logo, our logo. After clicking on the logo, you will reach to our channel. Yes, and after reaching to this channel, you go to the tab and you click on Community tab. Once you enter to this Community tab, you will get more posts, more quizzes, which helps you to master the content or content we upload here. So visit our Community tab, do the test uploaded. You will find even the correct answer, and together with explanation, you can learn from this tab. Dear viewer, dear friend, have you watched this video? Was it helpful? If it is helpful, remember to subscribe. Subscribe to this channel. You will get more reasons, more videos, more and more reasons. You will get them here. Great. Remember to share this video and this channel to your friends. Remember to like our videos. Remember to comment where possible. Asking question, clarification, suggestion. We directly answer your comment and vary it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm your teacher Eric Munani. Let us meet in the next video talking about the next tense. Remember to apply the knowledge you have got from this video and other videos in your daily conversation. You will soon speak English as native speaker. Thank you very much and bye bye.